Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros packaging. First, select food-grade materials like coated paperboard or insulated bags to ensure safety and maintain freshness. Think about how your packaging will keep churros warm and crispy, especially for delivery. A good design also enhances the customer experience, making your churros even more appealing. We'll cover practical tips for both presentation and preservation. When choosing materials, insulated paper bags are excellent for keeping churros warm during transport. Grease-resistant liners are crucial to prevent any oil from seeping through, maintaining a clean presentation. For an environmentally conscious approach, explore compostable paper or recycled cardboard options. These choices not only protect your product, but also align with sustainable practices, appealing to a broader customer base. Effective packaging design goes beyond just protection. It's about presentation. Incorporate your brand's logo and colors to create a memorable experience. Design the packaging for easy handling, allowing customers to enjoy their churros without mess, perhaps with a convenient dipping area. Small, separate compartments for sauces or toppings, like chocolate or dulce de leche, elevate the experience and add value. For practical assembly, pre-cut your churros to fit neatly within the chosen packaging dimensions, preventing breakage. Ensure all closures are secure to avoid spills during delivery or takeaway. If your churros are intended for later consumption, include clear, simple instructions for reheating to maintain their quality. These small details significantly improve customer satisfaction and reduce potential issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.